Welcome to the channel Maths by Swati ma'am. We are with the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So we have started with the second exercise and we have done the first three sub questions. Okay. Now in the third sub question, I have discussed two questions in the previous video. Okay. Now I am in the third question. Fill in the blanks. Do you remember, dear? Okay. So if you have not watched, links are provided here. Go watch them, understand the lesson carefully, because this is the question can be twisted a lot there. So that is why once you have a basic grip on the question, basic grip on the chapter, means if you completely understand the chapter, then it becomes very easy for you people to solve any type of question that they provide you. Understanding? Fine. Look at the board now. 5 comma dash comma dash comma 9 integer 1 by 2. Okay. Now see what I do. This is the first term A, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term I'll be having, isn't it? Now what is the information provided, dears? A is equal to 5 is provided and it cannot be simplified. Just keep it as it is. And what is provided? A4 is provided, dears. What is the A4 value we have? 9 integer 1 by 2. Okay, use your common sense, dear. A4 can be written as A plus 3D. Do you remember? Yes or no? So whatever the n value is there, one less than that, we are going to multiply with a D. So A4 is equal to A plus 3D we have. Now A4 is how much? 9 integer 1 by 2. Okay, A is already provided, 5 plus 3D. By this equation, it becomes very easy for me to calculate the D value. Once I know the D value, surely I can go with the arithmetic progression. Isn't it? Fine. Look at the board. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 3D. Okay, bring this 5 to this side. Okay, positive 5 turns to be negative. So I'll be having 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 3D. What is the LCM I'll be having? 2 is the LCM that I'll be having, dears. 2 ones are 1 twos are 19 minus 5 twos are 10. You just see here, 19 minus 10 will become, dear, 9 by 2 is equal to 3D. Bring this 3 to this side. Okay, multiplied 3 will become division. So we'll be having 9 divided by 2 into 3 is equal to D. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So D is equal to 3 divided by 2. Okay, I got the D value 3 by 2. Now let me write the arithmetic progression. See what is provided here. AP 5 comma box comma 9 integer 1 by 2. A is given. I need to calculate A2. Dear, A2 is not simpler since fraction is there. So I'll do the calculation. A2 is equal to A plus D. A is equal to 5. D is equal to how much, dears? 3 by 2. What is the LCM I can take? 2 is the LCM I can take. See, 1 2s are 2 1s are 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3. So I'll be having 13 by 2. Okay, 13 by 2, if I want to write it in the mixed fraction, 2 6 are 12. 6 integer 1 by 2 I can write, isn't it? Now again I need to calculate A3 also, isn't it? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Okay, dears, A is how much? 5 and 2 into what is the D value I'll be having, dears? 3 by 2. Isn't it? 2 got cancelled. See, 5 plus 3 is equal to how much I'll be having? 8. Okay. At the end, what is the arithmetic progression that I'll be getting, dears? You just see here, 5 comma second term. What is the second term? 6 integer 1 by 2 comma. What is the third term? 8 comma. What is the next fourth term? 9 integer 1 by 2. So on. This is the required arithmetic progression. Understood, dear? Practice them a lot. We'll move to the next question. Look at the next question. 4 comma box comma 6. Now this is the first term. What and all is provided here? A is provided, that is minus 4. And you just see first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. Okay, so I'll be writing A6 is equal to 6. Isn't it, dear? A6 is equal to 6. Okay, now dear, you know that how can I write A6 as? A6 is equal to A plus 5D. Yes or no? One less than that, isn't it? Now A6 is 6 and A is also provided. What is the A value? Minus 4 plus 5 into D. I'll bring this minus 4 to this side, isn't it? Minus 4 turns to be plus 4. So what I'll be having, 6 plus 4 is equal to 5D. That is 10 is equal to 5D. Bring 5 to this side. Multiplication turns to be division. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to D. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So D is equal to how much I'll be having, dears? 2. Okay. D is equal to 2. Once I have the D value, it becomes very easy for me to write the arithmetic progression. So what I'll be having here, the question is minus 4 comma box comma box comma box comma 6. Okay, D is 2. Now dear, you just see, minus 4 plus 2 will become how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will become how much? 0. 0 plus 2 will become how much, dear? 0 plus 2 is 2. One more box is there, isn't it? See, one more box is there. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Provided by them itself. You just see. What is the arithmetic progression at the end, dear? Minus 4 comma, minus 2 comma, 0 comma, 2 comma, 4 comma, 6. Isn't it? This is how you need to calculate. Next question. See, this is the last question in case of filling the blanks. Third question. Okay. See, box comma 38 comma box comma minus 22. I told you. Write the term value. Okay. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and I have sixth term. Okay, my dears, you just see here. Second term is provided. A2 is equal to 32. Okay, dears. A is not provided. Question is being little difficult. Okay, so how can I write A2 as, my dears? A2 can be written as A plus D, isn't it? Now A2 value is 38. 38 is equal to A plus D, or I say A plus D is equal to 38. Let it be equation number 1. Is it right? Okay, now look at the board. A6 is provided also. A6 is equal to how much, dears? Minus 22, isn't it? Now you know, how can I write A6 as? A6 can be written as A plus 5D, or I say A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Let it be equation number 2. Okay, dear, I have two variable, two equations. Simplify the equations, isn't it? I told you A will be having the same coefficient, so I need to subtract the equation. So what I do, dear? See here, equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, what is the equation 1 I have? Look at the board. A plus D is equal to 38. And what is the equation 2 I'll be having, dear? A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Dear, when I'll be subtracting the equations, I have to change the signs of the second equation. That is must to be known. Understanding? See, here I have a positive A, and that positive turns to be negative. Here I have 5D turns to be negative. Minus 22 turns to be positive. Isn't it? You just see. A minus A got cancelled. Okay. D minus 5D. Okay. D minus 5D will give me minus 4D. See here, 32 plus 22. What happens? 8 to 10, carry 1. See, 3 plus 3, 6. 60 it became. And I'll bring 4 to this side here. Okay, I'll bring 4 to this side. Multiplied 4 will become division. So D is equal to 60 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So negative sign is there. Do not forget to keep the negative sign. I got D value as minus 15. Isn't it? Once I got the D value, it is easy for me to calculate the A value. Okay, now what I'll do, put D is equal to minus 15 in equation 1. Okay, what is there in equation 1, dears? A plus D is equal to 38. And D value I got minus 15. A minus 15 is equal to 38. Bring minus 15 to the side. Minus 15 turns to be plus 15. So A is equal to 38 plus 15. Calculate the A value. 8, 5, 13, carry 1. 3, 2, 5. So I got A is equal to how much, dears? 53. A is equal to 53. Now look at the question. What is the question I have, dears? Just go through the question. Box comma 38 comma box comma box, comma, box, comma, minus 22. Okay, you just see here. A value I got it as 53. B value is minus 15. 53 minus 15 is how much, dears? Sure, it is 38. Okay, so minus 15. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 23 I have, isn't it? So 23 minus 15. 13 minus 7. Yes or no, dear? What is 13 minus 6? 8. Carry 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I have got just 8. 8 minus 13, dear. 8 minus 13. What I'll be having? 8 minus 13. Just see here. We have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So 15 minus 8 is how much? 7, which is the sign of the bigger number. Minus 15, isn't it? So minus 15. Minus 7 minus 15 is how much? Minus 22. So required arithmetic progression is 53, 38, 23, 8, minus 7, minus 22. So this is the arithmetic progression that is required, and these questions are the one which is frequently asked question. Understanding, practice them, understand them. If you have any doubt, and write in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe the channel.